Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you, and this one is called Blue Breeze, and it's using my new Blue Breeze Traveller's Notebook digital kit. I will have that linked below. The only thing I need to do is just pop two little pieces of gems on there because I forgot to do that. So I'll put two little silver like glassy type beads on there. The journal measures 8¼ by 4½, one signature, 48 pages front and back, and it will be listed in my shop if you're interested. So the journal, I've done the cover, like I've done a process video on this type of journal cover. I think it was a week or so ago. So I've used one of the which is a freebie that goes alongside the Blue Breeze. I've included it in the kit, but you can also pick it up for free on my shop. So I've used used two strips of that on there. Then I've used some ARTYmaze collage paper there. That is a freebie as well. I've used a Tim Holtz book plate, and this word here is from ARTYmaze. That's a freebie. I don't know if that's on our website or on our Facebook group, but it's one of the two. So it's all been stitched all around. I haven't done eyelets on this one. I've just done some organza ribbon as a closure. And we will go inside. Okay, so this is one of the TN pages, and I've just kept that as it is. Here I've used pieces of like collage work here to make this side tuck. This background paper there is from ARTYmaze. And here we have just lots of journal spots. This is from Bohemian Crafting, one of her vintage packages. Then this is one of the pages, and I've shrunk it down just to make a journal card. And we have a postcard there. I believe that's from either the Graphics Fairy or the Old Design Shop. These are from ARTYmaze, and I can't remember what kit, but I've got a funny feeling it is Butterflies in Blue, because it was already printed off, and when I done my big clear up last week, I found it. So, well, I didn't find the whole kit, I just found bits of it. So there's that tag as well in there. Then this is from ARTYmaze as well, and it's just used it like a washi tape. And all the papers have been coffee dyed, and some stamping. We've got some crocheted trim. Then I made this pocket, which is like a triple pocket. So this is actually an envelope. That is a tuck there. This is from Shabby Dabby Doodah. I can't remember the name of the kit, but I've made the pocket there. This is some of my papers. The envelope is made out of some printable music paper. Inside there we've got a postcard, and I think that was from the Old Design Shop. So that goes in there. This is from Bohemian Crafting, and I've just tucked that in there. Then that closes and it goes in behind there. I've just put a little piece of ARTYmaze paper there, and then obviously the index card, which has been coffee dyed and stamped. And then I punched some of these tabs out using one of my papers, and obviously my punch. So that's that. Then that's one of the pages from the kit. Some stamping, the Old Design Shop, I think. Some more stamping, then just a little cluster there, the butterfly, and the paper is from my kit, and this was just a little scrap piece. Then we have another journal card there, and I've just used some ARTYmaze butterflies on there, and then I've wrapped the music paper just like it was washi. That's my new favourite thing. Then we have some lace trim. This is the Old Design Shop. We have a pocket there that I've made from one of the pages from my kit. This is from Shabby Dabby Doodah. This is a freebie, but you also get it with the kit. I've just included that with the kit because it's just easy to put them together rather than getting the two freebies separately. Postcard from possibly the Old Design Shop or Graphics Fairy. Let's put that away. And these are from ARTYmaze, which I think might be Butterflies in Blue. I know she's done a revised one of these as well, so I don't know which one it is, because like I said, I just found it all when I was doing my big desk clear up. Some stamping. I better make sure I'm in frame. Am I? Yes, I think so. Halfway through the video. Pocket that I made from one of the pages from my kit, and that is one of the pages. This is from one of my other kits. Can't even remember what it's called, but I added that just to break it up because I don't want it too blue. And I think obviously the neutral tones go well. Another little journal card there, butterfly from ARTYmaze, and then some music paper. Put some music paper on there as well. Postcard from the old design shop. And a tag from ARTYmaze. I love the little rose there, it's so sweet. Another page from my kit. Then we just have a large jumbo tag which has been coffee dyed and stenciled, and a tab popped on the top. Journal pages and another tag. Another pocket here, another tag which is from one of mine, which I can't remember which one it is, and I'll forget what this is called in a week. I'll forget that it's called Blue Breeze. Another ARTYmaze butterfly, it's like a full stamp, and some more vintage music paper. And that is one of my pages shrunk down. I think I shrunk that to 75%. Then we have another postcard here. And another one of ARTYmaze's tags. Some more stamping, some more lace trim, another pocket. This is from Shabby Dabby Doodah. And then we have another, that's a freebie tag that goes with this kit. Some stamping on the back there. We have another postcard. There's quite a lot of postcards in this. Tag from ARTYmaze, and another little double journal card there. Little flip here, and I've just done some collage work there. Some stamping. You could close that to make a pocket. Then here, sorry if you can see the wire, but I've got my earphones in to do this video to try and make the sound a little bit better. Love this page. I think this is from the Graphics Fairy, I think. And then the big tag just popped in there because my earpods were dead. I haven't used them in ages, so they were dead, so I had to use the plug-in earphones. So this is another pocket, like an envelope triple pocket there. So we've got the tuck there, some of my paper there, collage work, Shabby Dabby Doodah. The envelope is made with some printable music paper, little piece from ARTYmaze there, another one of these just popped in there. A postcard which goes in the envelope, and then this is like some form of ledgery type paper from Bohemian Crafting, and that just goes in there. So it does. It came out, so it's going in. There we go. And then that just closes in behind there, like so. Another page from my kit, and another piece of scrap piece just used as washi. Some stamping, some lace trim. Another side tuck there. That's my paper. Some paper from the old design shop, I think. Shabby Dabby Doodah. Bohemian Crafting there. That's just like a big full sheet, and I just chopped it up and made some big journal tags. That's another journal tag in there. Another postcard. I think that's the old design shop. And this is ARTYmaze. And so is that. And that is the back. So that is the journal. Now, I tried to do this video once before, and I can't remember if I've told you the measurements, but it's 8 1/4, 4 1/2, one signature, 48 pages, front and back. Will be listed in my shop if you're interested. Okay, and also the kit, the TN Blue Breeze will be listed below as well. So there we have it. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.